3 generations now, Fire Systems has been family owned and family operated. We've built over 30 years worth of relationships, teamwork, and expertise. Our business model allows us to perform inspections, maintenance, and installations of all fire protection systems, including fire alarm, sprinkler systems, and fire extinguishers. We take pride in the quality of our service and the character of our technicians. Join us and allow Fire Systems to defend your assets, your property, and your lives.